dear students of standard 7th. Hi everyone, hope you all are fine. From the chapter 5th, operations on rational numbers, we are going to learn rules for simplifying an algebraic expression. So first, expression means what, that we will see. See, expression means arrangement of numbers expressed using signs of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. That is called mathematical expression. Now see here, all operations are there. Division sign is there, plus, multiplication, then subtraction sign also you can put there. Means this is one expression. So while solving this expression, what I will do, here I will do first division or multiplication, whatever it is there, that I will do. Suppose here division of this 8 divided by 2, if I will do, 8 divided by 2 is 2 4s are 8. So division is 4. Then remaining expression, this much I will write as it is, plus 3 multiplied by 5. Now what I will do, I will do multiplication. Means first this 4 as it is, plus multiplication of this 5 3s are 15. Now here addition, 15 plus 4 it is 19. This is one method of solving expression and this is correct method of solving expression. But what some children do, suppose this is solved by Rachna, and what Rani will do here, what she will do, she will first divide these two numbers. Expression I will write here, divided by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 5. Division of these 2 is 4 plus 3 multiplied by 5. Then 4 plus 3, 7 multiplied by 5. This one we have done here. Then 7 5s are 35. So here we got different answers. Here our answer is 19 and here it is 35. Then who is right and who is wrong? Rachna is right or Rani is right? Yes, Rachna is right, Rani is wrong. So how that is, that I will tell you. So to prevent these mistakes, some rules have been made which decide the order in which the operation are carried out. And here in your textbook these rules are there. So what are that rules? See here, if more than one operation is to be carried out, then multiplication and division are carried out first. Like that, if more operations are there, if in any example, suppose here example is given, so first we have to carry out multiplication or division from left to right, means from this side we will start. Whatever operation it is first, multiplication or division, that we will do first. See this example, we will take this example, 40 into 10 divided by 5 divided plus 17. So from left side, this side, which operation is first? Multiplication. So we will carry out multiplication first. So 40 tens are 400. Now see, after that what is second rule? After that, addition and subtraction are carried out in the order in which they occur from left to right. Means what we have to do? See here, first what is told, first you have to do multiplication or division from left to right. So multiplication is done here, but now division remain. So division is also done here. Then from left to right, whatever operation is there, addition or subtraction, that we have to carry out. Here which operation is there? Addition, so added. Simple. Only you have to remember rules. So what is the third rule? If there are more than one operation in the brackets, follow the above two rules while carrying out the operations. Suppose in any example bracket is given. So see this example, 80 divided by 15 plus 8 minus 3 plus 5. Here bracket is given for these two operations. In bracket what are operations? Plus and minus, means addition and subtraction. So what is told in third rule? First we have to solve bracket. And same these two rules we have to follow while solving bracket also. So while solving this bracket, we will see first multiplication or division is there given in the bracket. If yes, then we will do that. But multiplication and division is not given. So addition and subtraction is given. From left to right, means from this side to this side we will go. First it is 15 plus 8, that is 23. Then same example we will write down 80 divided by, from this bracket 15 plus 8, 23 minus 3 plus 5. Now what we will do, 80 as it is, bracket we are not solved complete. So first we will do this operation. What is that operation? 23 minus 3. 80 divided by 23 minus 3 is 20 and then 5. Now we can solve this expression. What is the expression? 80 divided by 20 plus 5. So in this expression, first what is given? Division, and then addition is there. Whatever it is there, first we have to do division only. Division or multiplication, whatever it is there. But here division is there, so we will do division. 80 divided by 20, 20 4s are 80. So division is 4 plus 5 as it is. And then 4 plus 5, it is 9. This is answer of our expression. So remember all these rules. See this big expression here, 2 multiplied by, in curly bracket 25 multiplied by square bracket 113 minus 9, inner bracket complete, plus another bracket 4 divided by 2 multiplied by 13, and then square bracket and curly bracket completed. Now here, see here 1, 2 and 3 brackets are there. So what to do first? First you have to solve inner bracket. So which one is inner bracket from that? See here, these 2 round brackets are there, that are inner brackets. Okay. So what are the numbers in inner brackets? 113 minus 9. And here in this inner bracket, 4 divided by 2 into 13. So first we will solve this inner bracket. 113 minus 9, it is 104. And remaining numbers as it is in the expression. What are that? 2 as it is, 25 as it is. Only solve this inner bracket and return 104 here. Okay. Now here 4 divided by 2 into 13 also as it is. Now next step we will solve that. So all numbers as it is, all expression is as it is, means 2 into curly bracket 25 into answer of this bracket is 104. Now we will think about this bracket. In this bracket first division is there. So division of 4 and 2 is 2 and 13 as it is. Now we will solve this bracket again because this bracket is not completely solved. So 2 as it is, 25 as it is, 104 as it is. Now 13 2s are 26. 13 2s are 26. So here 104 plus 26, but it is in square bracket now. Means one more bracket is there inside this curly bracket. First we have to solve this square bracket now. So in square bracket what is there? 104 plus 26. So we will add this. 104 plus 26, it is 130. So this square bracket finished now. Now what remain? Only curly bracket. And what are the numbers in curly bracket? 25 and addition of this is 130. So what is our expression now? 2 into, as it is 2 into this 25 and answer of this square bracket is 130. Now we will solve this curly bracket. So curly bracket 25 into 130. So 25 into 130 multiplication is 3250. So this is answer of this curly bracket. And now we will think about remaining numbers. What are remaining numbers? Only 2 is there. So multiplication we will do. Here it is 6500 is our multiplication. So all rules are followed here. What are the rules? First solve inner brackets from left to right. Then whatever bracket is there after that you have to solve from left to right. While solving also you have to follow that rules. Which are the rules? First multiplication or division and then addition or subtraction. All that rules you have to follow for bracket also. So all these things you will do, and then whatever expression you will get, for that also you will apply the rules. What are the rules? First multiplication and division and then addition and subtraction, and then you will get answer. So this is very simple and interesting topic if you will pay attention, or you will learn rules. You have to remember rules and apply rules in example yourself, then you will understand it. Okay, then solve these 4 examples in your notebook, then you can get more practice and you will understand rules also. Okay, bye bye, have a nice day.